Stop buying microfiber towels just because they feel soft. If you choose microfiber towels based on how they feel alone, then you're doing it completely wrong. We've seen terms like terry, waffle, suede, or pearl, and yes, they seem like a weird breakfast menu, but they're actually key to how a towel performs. Microfiber weaves refer to how the fibers are structured and finished. Just like GSM, grams per square meter, the weave changes everything. It affects absorbency, glide, grip, and dirt trapping ability. Today, we are breaking down the major microfiber weaves that you need to know for home cleaning and auto detailing, so you don't scratch your paint, streak your glass, or waste your money again. Which weave for what? Let's check it out. First up, the workhorse of the industry, the terry weave. This is the most common microfiber weave that you'll find, especially in bulk packs from the big box stores. Terry weave towels use exposed loop fibers that create a soft, plush feel, and those tiny loops dramatically increase the towel surface area. That's what allows them to scoop out dust, grease, and moisture so effectively. They're perfect for general household cleaning, wiping down car interiors, and removing compounds or polish. A smart tip is to keep your towels separated by task. Use lower GSM terry towels like our 16-inch by 16-inch utility towels or micro wipes for dirty engine bays, and premium high GSM versions like our 36-pack 16-inch by 16-inch 350 GSM yellow towels for delicate interior plastics and leather surfaces. Next is the waffle weave, which is impossible to miss thanks to its raised grid-like pattern that looks like a breakfast waffle. Those pockets are designed to rapidly channel water away from the surfaces and trap it deep inside the towel. Because most of the fabric stays relatively flat, waffle weave creates very little friction or drag while drying. That makes them ideal for drying large vehicle panels, soaking up spills in kitchens, and performing initial wipe downs on glass. If you've just washed your car, you should grab our 390 GSM huge waffle weave drying towel. This is the best tool that you can use because it can hold crazy amounts of water without being difficult to use. Waffle weaves perform commendably well as kitchen and dish towels, making it easy to dry dishware and surfaces in no time. Our waffle weave dishcloths and kitchen towels don't just match the aesthetic of any kitchen, but make drying a breeze. For streak-free windows and glass, you'll need a dedicated glass weave towel. Unlike plush microfiber, glass weaves are incredibly tight, flat, and slightly coarse to the touch. That tight structure creates friction that helps scrub away oily residue, smoker film, and stubborn grime without leaving lint behind. They're excellent for automotive glass, household windows, mirrors, and chrome. Two of our favorites are the windshield and glass cleaning towels and the ultrasonic cut glass weave towel. A specialized weave that sits between the terry and glass weave is the pearl weave. Its short tight pile creates a ridge-like structure that gives grip without being aggressive, making it a great choice for polishing, buffing, and drying. These kitchen towels perform like none other when you're looking to polish silverware or dry dishes without the hassle. On the opposite end of the spectrum is the suede weave. Suede microfiber is perfectly smooth with virtually zero pile, meaning there are no raised loops. It feels similar to suede leather, but it's fully synthetic. Because there are no loops, suede towels create almost zero lint and zero drag, making them ideal for precision work. They're commonly used to clean eyeglasses, laptop screens, camera lenses, and apply ceramic coatings on vehicle paint. See how our edgeless suede towels are wonderful to clean glasses and camera lenses, while our suede coating applicator sponges are lifesavers when it comes to coating application, saving you time, effort, and product. However, suede towels and applicators should never be used on heavily dirty and dusty surfaces because they have nowhere to trap debris. If debris gets trapped underneath, then it can easily drag across the surface, creating scratches. Finally, we have the heavy hitters, Shaggy and Chenille weaves. Shaggy microfiber features extremely long, plush fibers that can hold a huge amount of liquid while lifting dirt deep away from sensitive surfaces. It's a favorite for rinseless washes and soft paint finishes where minimizing contact is critical. Grab a pack of our double density 700 GSM shag towels and you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Chenille, on the other hand, uses thick noodle-like strands instead of a flat fabric surface. Those large gaps in between the strands help trap large chunks of dirt, mud, and dust deep into the fibers, helping keep abrasive debris away from your paint. Now you know what makes our chenille wash mitt perfect for heavy-duty washing, dirty wheels, rocker panels, and even cleaning outdoor furniture. Here's where people get it wrong. They chase softness and thickness alone, assuming that a fluffier towel means better performance. But microfiber performance is all about using the right weave for the right task. So, the next time that you're shopping for a microfiber towel or grabbing one from your garage cabinet, ask yourself, is this the right weave for the right job? Because with microfiber, how it's built matters more than just how it feels. And that's the end of this video. If you are interested in our different microfiber towels with different weaves, check out the description box below. It's gonna have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell. And be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.